To stop your toilet from running nonstop after a flush, you gotta check that flapper and handle chain situation. This is the most common culprit causing water waste and higher bills. So, first, lift the tank lid and peek inside. If water keeps running, try adjusting the chain that connects the handle to the flapper. It should have just enough slack so the flapper seals properly. If the chain is too tight or too loose, you'll get leaks or constant running. Next, check the handle bushing, the little plastic part where the handle connects to the tank. If it's cracked or broken, the handle won't lift or drop the flapper right, so swapping that out can fix things fast. Sometimes the flapper itself is worn or warped from age, which means it won't seal well and lets water slip through. Replacing it usually costs between $5 and $15 at any hardware store. Cleaning off any mineral buildup on the flapper can help too if you want a quick fix before buying a new one. Make sure when you put everything back that the flapper drops flush onto the overflow tube without getting stuck. Also, double check that the float ball or cup isn't set too high, or water will keep running into the overflow tube. One of the biggest mistakes people make is ignoring the handle bushing. If it's cracked, adjusting the chain won't help because the handle won't move smoothly. Fix it by replacing that bushing. It's cheap and easy. Another common issue is having the chain too tight or too loose. If it's tight, the flapper won't seal, and if it's loose, the flapper won't lift fully, so just adjust it so there's a little slack, but not too much. Lastly, people often forget that flappers wear out and need replacing. Cleaning helps but doesn't last forever. Grab a new flapper to save water and money on your bill. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who need trusted local contractors for any home repair or upgrade. They make finding someone reliable way easier. Plus, contractors get hooked up with more jobs, so everyone wins when you use their platform.